All right, hello and welcome back. We're getting into quite a few amount of videos now, well past 100, which is nice to see. With that said, let's just get right to it. There's nothing more to say about it. So, as you've been seeing, if you've been following for a little while, I'll explain it if you haven't as well. If you are constantly looking at SPY headline risks, it looks like everything is going to shit all the time, or things are hyping up and it's looking really dramatic. When in reality, not much is happening. And you might ask, but why? Because that's how these fucking newspapers make money. Okay, but we're not interested in this. It doesn't matter for us. None of this. I don't see shit. It doesn't matter. So let's just get straight to the markets. Looking at SPY, steady, it's strong, some minor pullback, I guess, might be. Don't know. We'll see. The dollar index is stable. It has gained some momentum. We'll see how that develops, but it's still in that range right here. And it hasn't broken much here. Yeah, it's been within this for forever. Mind you, this is a 2 week time frame, not what we trade on. Don't worry about it. Let's get to the trades that are already open. If you're one of the guys to enter this one, this was an 8-hour entry, right? Yep. This is one I said I don't like. Stay in it. I mean, shit. If you've been in it for this long, I mean, captain goes down with the ship, so you might as well. Go down with it. It is looking alright though. It's looking whatever. It has reversed. It's heading down. So, just stay in it. No need to move sell loss or anything. As for my trade though, the one I really liked, and I posted that I really liked in the Discord. This one is going really great. If you're in this one, you should be at break even by now. If it just turns the fuck down and goes back to negative red, it's no longer a valid setup. If you're just watching this, you might wondering, wait, didn't you hit sell loss here? No. We let it rebound. This is a rebound classic reversal. So I let it rebound past like it did here. So basically a little SR line here, but there isn't. I don't believe in those. SR area here. So we let it rebound off of that to my proper area and then made an entry based on a 12-hour indecision candle. So the entry was made after this candle was closed. That's why my entry is so high, or it would have been lower like here. Then I would have been smashed out, yeah. But I let it rebound fall because of the previous rebound the pair had. And it turned out great. So move sell loss. So at this point, it's no longer a trade that can be lost money on. So I mean, what the fuck can you complain about, right? I mean, if you're a bitch, you can complain about anything. But besides that, no. So we need to redraw on gold. This is looking like some bullshit. Yeah, this is not right. It's just the nature of gold. I need also SR area strength needs to go down. You can't just clap it like that. Yeah, I mean it does look kind of like that if you hop down on the 12-hour and get confused, or 8-hour. But we don't draw on those. You see, that's the body and the stick. But we don't draw on those. We only draw on the 1 day. Okay. But here we have a double touch, and that it is reversing on, and we have sticks hitting it. And then of course we gotta mark the high point. You might ask, why are you making SRA with just one touch? It's because it's all I got. I have to do that quite a lot on gold. So with this one right here, there is already a valid setup for gold. This looks like a great setup, and I'm gonna enter this when the video is over for sure. So I have my safe setup. I remember I didn't enter this one, but I have my safe setup. So I've been hyping this one in the Discord since I entered it. But I have my safe setup, and we'll see what happens with this one. I'll post it in the Discord and get into it as fast as I can. Oh shit. Cool. For the Discord boys, this is a 12-hour entry, mind you. Those don't have a fucking... Those don't have a time. Those have a lower win rate. If you enter solely based on one-day signals, you'll have a higher win rate, but you'll get a lot fewer setups. This one is looking interesting. It is developing quite nicely. We might move this up now, or actually I'm going to move it to a close potential, because it's like tomorrow. This could be ready for a CR. It's going to be an interesting CR and see how we're going to trade within that range, because I'm going to have to take the 200 MA into consideration. I won't be interested in an 8-hour and 12-hour setup on this one, because the 200 MA is already in here, and I'm going to watch out for that. So look on the other pairs. Let's do a little scan and see Wagwan on the market. Well. It's too congested. You can't base a trade off of congestion, really. I think. No, fuck it. Never force trades. If you're unsure, just fuck off, right? I've said it many times. There's no such thing as missing a trade. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. It's just FOMO. It's a fallacy. It's like missing a good gamble. No, you can't. You can't. God damn, boy. That was the other one that I was considering. It was pretty similar setup. That one went well. And it is looking quite interesting, actually. We'll discuss it. We need some new SR areas here for this breakout. Let me just get something marked up real quick. Right there. Yeah. That's congested. We got SR inflation on it. Yeah, let me clean the whole fucking thing up. We need weaker levels. Let me just find the original that I based that top off. I like to draw by going off top, top, bottom, and then this is more valid. There we go. It looks a lot better now. We can't put it down here as well. It's a lot of. It's very inflated. Yeah, it's a touch there. Yeah, everything. But I don't know how much I trust those old levels. Also, don't look too much for SR areas. If you're looking for them, other people are not finding it. So just boop, there's something. Double touch, we're good. And that's it, right? So anything more to this? No, it's not really much more to draw here. So this one is looking interesting as well. Let's see. Let's look at this one. We're gonna mark both of these, even though they're cross pairs. I'm not gonna mark this one because even though it's interesting, there's too much cross pair risk. Yeah. We'll talk about it. This is ATH one. Can't do much with ATH pairs like that. Way too inflated. Oh, this has been inflated too, I can see. Okay, this is wow, this is so many setups. It feels so nice when you finally got that good redraw in. It's like getting some cold water in your fucking face. That's a valid breakout. Shit. It almost is. It has broken these levels before though. It's gonna look inflated as shit, but if you look at it like this, it's gonna coincide with the previous top like that. So it's, let me adjust these a little bit. I'm gonna make them weaker, but shit. I mean, you got through life, didn't you? What the fuck did I... Oh, fuck my indicator again. I'll fix it after the video. There we go. Yeah, so that's a potential breaker. Yeah, for sure. And let's look through the rest of the pairs. Wow. The ruble, this ruble right here has been so... What does it look like on 2 week? It's just so stagnant. This is a month, so a month and a half, it hasn't really moved. But I mean, not really in months. Shit. So up with the ruble, bro. Getting those QE bond buying fucking... Oh no, they're lowering interest rates right now. It's not QE. That's probably why. Ruble probably wants to get stronger, but when they're lowering interest rates, I don't know what the fucking Russian exchange is. I don't know what their SPY is. Just like we got OBX in Norway. I used to know. I forgot. But when they're buying it up, it's bought in the ruble, so it's keeping the ruble down. Even though they're probably pumping liquidity into it. Oh yeah, they are. That's why they've had those inflationary periods. So let's look at this and this. Nah, we already got so many setups. Oh fuck. This is when I get picky. You know what I mean? Like, throw shit out. You don't need this many setups in a month. Like look at this shit. Like, so my monthly max is 10%. A good trade with an extension, 3%, right? And then you're up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're like done for the month. With just these setups here. So I get very picky, pick out the best ones. Like my boys here. This one's already a lock. So with this one, we're still waiting for the classic reverse to hit. There's a 200 MA going down here, but I got my 200 MA removed. I fucked it up. I'm going to re-add it later. I don't want to do it now because it just adds video time. So there won't be no 12-hour or 8-hour entry on it. Same for this one. We're looking for it to hit the resistance area for a potential classic reversal. I don't want to do some kind of fucking breakout on a heavily downtrending pair. And for this one, it is heavily uptrending, so we'd be looking for a breakout. And because of the range size, a classic reversal would also be open, but most likely a breakout. That's what I'd be expecting. As for this one, same breakout. And this one, I'd be looking for any reaction to resistance here. We'll see what happens with this one. Not too sure. This one might get removed. And same with this one. This is a very close breakout. And the sticks tell me that it does pull up as well. So if this was, this would have been, if I entered here, this would have hit like very nicely, like a 3 fucking R, or 3 percentage point, 300 point whatever you want to call it, bro. TP hit. And with that said, that's all I got for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. Or you can hop in my Discord. I got a nice little Discord going on where everyone is welcome. Nothing's for sale or anything like that. There's no bullshit. And there's a good group of people in there. So I hope to see you in there. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.